Today, we're diving into 20 essential checks that will ensure your motorcycle is in top shape and you're ready for a smooth, secure journey. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end, one that's often overlooked but could save you from a major breakdown. 1. Check tire pressure and condition.
If your tire pressure isn't correct, then nothing else we talk about here matters.
Your tires are your lifeline to the road, so it's crucial to ensure they're in top condition. Properly inflated tires enhance stability and handling, reducing the risk of accidents. Use a tire pressure gauge to measure the PSI, keeping it within the manufacturer's recommended range. While you're at it, inspect the tread for wear and check for any cuts, punctures, or bulges. If your tires are worn out or damaged, it's not just your safety that's at risk. Your riding experience will also suffer. Poor tire health can lead to uneven handling, reduced grip, and longer braking distances, which are dangerous in both city and highway riding conditions. Regularly maintaining tire pressure and inspecting their condition also helps improve fuel efficiency. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, meaning your engine has to work harder and burn more fuel. A few minutes spent checking your tires can save you money and improve the longevity of your ride. 2. Inspect brakes. Imagine cruising down a hill, only to realize your brakes aren't as responsive as they should be. Don't let that happen. Check your brake pads for wear, ensure fluid levels are sufficient, and listen for any grinding or squealing noises. Test the brakes to confirm they engage smoothly and provide the stopping power you need. Brakes are one of the most critical safety systems on your bike, and neglecting them can lead to disastrous consequences. When checking brakes, don't forget the brake lines. Over time, brake lines can develop cracks or leaks that reduce their effectiveness. Additionally, ensure that the brake rotors are not warped or excessively worn. If you notice any signs of irregularity, address them immediately to avoid compromising your stopping power. 3. Examine the clutch and throttle. Smooth control of your bike depends on well-defining clutch and throttle systems. Test the clutch lever to ensure it engages and disengages smoothly. For the throttle, twist it and release. Does it snap back effortlessly? If not, it might be time for some adjustments or lubrication. An unresponsive throttle can lead to jerky acceleration, making your ride unpredictable and potentially hazardous. Regular maintenance of your clutch and throttle cables is vital. Over time, these cables can stretch, fray, or even snap. A broken clutch cable in the middle of a ride can leave you stranded or cause sudden loss of control. Lubricate the cables regularly to prevent friction and ensure they last longer. 4. Test lights and signals. Visibility is everything on the road, and your lights and signals are key to making yourself seen. Check that your headlights, taillights, brake lights, and turn signals are all functioning properly. Replace any burned out bulbs immediately. Faulty lights not only reduce your visibility, but can also confuse other drivers, increasing the risk of accidents. Consider upgrading to LED lights if your bike doesn't already have them. LED lights are brighter, last longer, and consume less power than traditional halogen bulbs. They can significantly improve your visibility during nighttime or low light conditions, making them a worthwhile investment for your safety. 5. Check fluid levels. Fluids are the lifeblood of your motorcycle, and running low can spell disaster. Inspect your oil, coolant, and brake fluid levels. If they're dirty or below the recommended mark, it's time to top them off or replace them altogether. Regular fluid maintenance not only ensures smooth operation, but also prevents costly repairs down the line. Engine oil lubricates moving parts, reduces friction, and helps dissipate heat. Coolant prevents your engine from overheating, especially during long rides or in hot weather. Brake fluid transmits the force from your brake lever to the brake calipers, enabling you to stop effectively. Neglecting any of these fluids can lead to mechanical failures or even accidents. 6. Inspect the chain and sprockets. The drivetrain is another critical component for a smooth ride. Check your chain's tension. It shouldn't be too tight or too loose. Lubricate the chain regularly and inspect the sprockets for wear. Worn or damaged sprockets can lead to mechanical failure. A properly maintained chain and sprocket system ensures efficient power delivery from the engine to the wheels. To check chain tension, look for the manufacturer's specifications in your owner's manual. An over-tightened chain can cause excessive wear on your sprockets, while a loose chain can slip off or cause uneven power delivery. Investing in a good quality chain lubricant can make all the difference in extending the life of your drivetrain. Seven, inspect cables and controls. Cables that are frayed or sticking can make controlling your bike a challenge. Check the throttle, clutch, and brake cables to ensure they move freely. Test all controls, including the horn and levers, to confirm they're responsive. Unresponsive controls can turn an enjoyable ride into a nerve-wracking experience. When inspecting cables, pay close attention to their housing and connections. Look for signs of rust, wear, or fraying. If any cables appear compromised, replace them immediately. Properly functioning cables are essential for smooth and safe operation. 8. Examine suspension. A properly functioning suspension ensures a comfortable ride and better handling. Press down on the front and rear suspension to check for smooth movement and any unusual noises. Look for leaks around the suspension forks. A faulty suspension can make your bike feel unstable, especially on uneven terrain or during high-speed maneuvers. Suspension maintenance often gets overlooked, but it's crucial for rider comfort and safety. Regularly clean the suspension components to remove dirt and debris that can cause wear. If you're experiencing excessive bouncing or bottoming out, it might be time for a professional inspection or replacement. 9. Check steering. Steering issues can lead to loss of control, a serious risk for any rider. Turn the handlebars from side to side to ensure there's no resistance. Wiggle the forks to detect any play or looseness in the steering assembly. Proper steering alignment is crucial for maintaining balance and control, especially during cornering. If you notice any stiffness or unusual noises while steering, it could indicate issues with the bearings or alignment. Address these problems immediately to avoid compromising your safety. 10. Inspect the battery. A weak battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible time. Inspect your battery for corrosion, ensure connections are tight, and check the charge. If it's an older battery, consider testing its capacity or replacing it. Modern motorcycles often come with electronic systems that require a reliable power source, making battery maintenance even more important. Regularly cleaning the battery terminals and applying anti-corrosion grease can help prolong its life. If you're storing your bike for an extended period, use a trickle charger to maintain the battery's charge. 11. Secure luggage and gear. Loose luggage can be dangerous, not to mention a hassle if it falls off mid-ride. Use proper straps or fasteners to secure all items. Ensure nothing obstructs your view or movement. Overloaded or improperly secured luggage can affect your bike's balance and handling, increasing the risk of an accident. Consider investing in dedicated motorcycle luggage systems, such as saddlebags or tailbags. These are designed to stay secure and distribute weight evenly, ensuring a safer and more comfortable ride. 12. Adjust mirrors. Properly aligned mirrors reduce blind spots and give you a clear view of surrounding traffic. Take a moment to adjust them before you ride. This simple step can make a big difference in your situational awareness. Poorly adjusted mirrors can leave you unaware of nearby vehicles, putting you at risk in traffic. 13. Check for leaks. Fluid leaks can indicate serious mechanical issues. Inspect the area under your bike and around the engine for signs of oil, coolant, or fuel leaks. Address any leaks immediately to prevent further damage. Leaks not only affect your bike's performance, but can also pose environmental hazards. 14. Test the kickstand and center stand. Your bike stands might seem like minor components, but a faulty stand can cause your bike to tip over. Test both the kickstand and center stand to ensure they retract and lock securely. A wobbly stand can lead to accidents when parking or during maintenance. 15. Inspect the exhaust system. Your exhaust system affects both performance and emissions. Check for cracks, rust, or loose connections. A damaged exhaust can reduce engine efficiency and lead to increased noise levels. Regular maintenance of the exhaust system ensures optimal performance and compliance with emission standards. Wear proper riding gear. Riding gear is your first line of defense in case of an accident. Always wear a DOT-approved helmet, gloves, a jacket with protective padding, sturdy pants and boots. Never compromise on safety gear. It could save your life. High visibility gear can also make you more noticeable to other drivers, reducing the risk of collisions. 17. Test the horn. Your horn is a simple yet vital safety tool for alerting other drivers. Press it to ensure it's loud and clear. If the sound is weak or inaudible, it might be time to replace it. A functioning horn can be a lifesaver in situations where you need to quickly grab someone's attention. 18. Clean your visor or goggles. Clear visibility is essential for safe riding. Use a microfiber cloth and a cleaning solution to remove dirt, smudges, or bug splatter from your visor or goggles. This step ensures you can see the road and obstacles clearly. 19. Check your fuel level. Running out of fuel isn't just inconvenient, it can also be dangerous, especially on long stretches of road. Before you start your ride, check the fuel gauge and fill up if necessary. Always plan your fuel stops on longer journeys to avoid getting stranded. Final walk around. Before you hop on your bike, take a moment to do a final walk around. Look for anything you might have missed, loose bolts, dangling wires, or anything out of the ordinary. This quick inspection can catch last-minute issues and give you peace of mind. Bonus tip: create a safety routine. Consistency is key when it comes to pre-ride checks. Develop a systematic routine that includes all these steps, and consider using a physical or digital checklist to stay organized. Over time, these safety measures will become second nature, enhancing your confidence and safety on the road. These 20 must-dos are your first line of defense for a safe and enjoyable motorcycle ride. By making these checks a habit, you'll not only enhance your safety, but also prolong the life of your bike. What's your go-to pre-ride safety tip? Share it in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more motorcycle safety and maintenance tips. Ride safe, and see you on the road.